Making an appointment with the General Practitioner.
Good morning, Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Of course. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
Sure, it's Jamie Taylor, born on the 2nd of March, 1985.
Thank you, Jamie. Are you a new patient, or have you seen Dr. Smith before?
I'm a new patient.
All right. Before we proceed, do you have any specific concerns you'd like to address during your visit?
Yes, I've been experiencing some persistent headaches and would like to discuss them with Dr. Smith.
Understood. We have an opening this Thursday at 10 a.m. or next Monday at 3 p.m. Which would work better for you?
Thursday at 10 a.m. sounds perfect.
Great, I booked you in for Thursday at 10 a.m. with Dr. Smith. Please make sure to bring your ID and insurance information. Do you have any other questions?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you. If you need to reschedule or cancel, please let us know at least 24 hours in advance. Have a great day.
You too, goodbye.